Hello everyone, and during the editing the small reel I realized that it will take a little more time to explain the whole process. So here is. I start the same way. The selection of the references and of course the presentation of the idea of the drawing in my own imagination. It can't be random enough. You have to understand exactly what you want to draw and why you draw this. So you have to have the whole already made drawing in your mind. In my case, it will be this cute creature that you saw already in the atmospheric lightning. While I record this information, I will watch my own time-lapse video, so maybe my eyes will be somewhere. As you can see, there is a traditional start of putting black and white colors, so we can use these values for the further work. The next step is the selection of the color palette and the first attempts to create a color sketch. If you work in Photoshop, you can easily change color by using brightness, contrast and hue settings. And on this stage I noticed this mistake with the pose of this beautiful creature, so I changed the pose of this dog to the more normal and natural one. And I can give advice. Don't finish the drawing as soon as possible. Draw for half an hour or an hour, then rest and continue working with a new point of view. Such a pause seems to reset your whole view of your artwork. And on this stage you can see that I started to add more and more details and the whole drawing start to look better. Also you can notice that I started to add some small golden dots around, and it makes the drawing with such perspective to look more natural and more deep. So here is the last fixing of colors, the last editing of details, and I think it's finished.